before we look at the first law of logarithm, which I promised earlier, I want us to look at the importance of logarithm. Why this is very important is my experience when I was taking indices in this channel. Some people, few, were saying it's not logar relevant. Maths is a scam. We don't need maths, and so on and so forth. For those that are serious not to be confused by such negative comments, I want to show you the importance of logarithms in today's world. That you are doing it now, just trying to solve logarithm or indices, doesn't mean it's not going to be important in the future. Unless you choose a different career entirely. Maybe you want to be a skit maker. You want to be a comedian. But if you want to be a professional in your line, most things you are reading now in school will be relevant in the future. So don't allow anybody to confuse you. Everybody cannot be the same thing. There are some that will use their certificate. Some will use the knowledge they will gain in school in the future. Some will not even use it at all. Okay? If you are interested, look at it. You can read this up. Just pause and read. What do you see here? Not important? It's very important. Next, look at this. Science and engineering. Importance of logarithm. Check. Just pause the video and read. Finance and economics. Read. Look at this. Acoustics and music. Read. Importance of logarithm. Look at this one. Logarithm in medicine and pharmacology. Okay? Next, geology and earth sciences. Read. Everywhere you find it. You can't escape it. Unless you want to be a comedian or a skit maker. Data representation. Here. Information theory and communication. Here. Psychophysics. Read. Just pause the video and read. See this. Environmental science. Very important. See. Measurement and calibration. In probability and statistics. So with this now, don't allow anybody to tell you that what you are reading or what you are studying is not relevant. They are relevant. Okay?